Welcome to qnawire.
Hi students, in this question we are given some data of mass of rifle as m equal to 3.5 kilograms, mass of bullet as m is equal to 11 grams, or we can take it as 11 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilograms. The velocity of bullet as Vb is equal to 575 meters per second. In the A part of the question, we have to find the velocity of rifle. Let's apply conservation of momentum principle here. Since the initial velocity of the rifle is 0, we can take the initial momentum as 0, which will be equal to mvr plus mvb, where vr is the velocity of the rifle. On solving this, mvr is equal to minus mvb, where vr, or the velocity of rifle, is equal to minus m into vb divided by m. Upon substituting the given values, minus 11 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 575 divided by 3.5. Thus, on solving this, velocity of rifle is obtained as minus 1.807 meters per second. This minus sign indicates that it is recoiling back. In the second part of the question, we have to find the velocity of shooter and the rifle. We are given the mass of shooter as ms equal to 45 kilograms. So the total mass of shooter and the rifle is mt equal to m plus ms, which is 3.5 plus 45, which is equal to 48.5. So the velocity will be v is equal to minus m vv divided by mt. Upon substituting the values, minus 11 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 575 divided by 48.5 yields the velocity of shooter and the rifle as v is equal to 0.13 meters per second. I hope the solution is clear. Thank you.